Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, center armrest, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.